Hi children, welcome back to our social class. So we shall continue with the chapter Rural Administration. Okay. So today we are going to see about maintenance of land records. So you saw that Mohan and Raghu were arguing heatedly whether the common boundary of their field had been shifted. Okay, that was the quarrel between them. Isn't there a way by which they could have settled this dispute in a peaceful manner? Are these records that show who owns what land in the village? Let's find out how this is done. Okay. So measuring land and keeping land record is the main work of the Patwari. Okay, what is the main work of the Patwari? Underline it, children, it is very important. Measuring land and keeping land record is the main work of the Patwari. Okay, the Patwari is known by different names in different states. Okay, so the Patwari is called in different names according to the state. So in some villages, such officers are called Lekpal. What are they called? Lekpal. In others, Kanungo. What are the other they called? In others, it is called Kanungo or Karamchari or village officer. Okay. So we will refer to this officer as Patwari. Each Patwari is responsible for a group of villages. Okay, they are responsible for a group of villages. The Patwari maintains and updates the record of the village. Okay, what is his work? To maintain and update the record of the village. Okay, so the map and the corresponding details from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by the Patwari. Okay, so the map and the corresponding details from the register are also kept by the Patwari. Okay, so the Patwari usually has ways of measuring agriculture field. Okay, they have to measure the field. Only then they'll be knowing the boundaries, isn't it? In some places, a long chain is used. So how do they measure? By using long chain. In the above instance, the Patwari would have measured both Mohan's and Raghu's field and compared them with the measurements on the map. Okay, they have a map, so he'll be comparing it with the measurement on the map. If they did not match, then it would be clear that the boundary of the field had been changed. Okay. So the Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in this area. So what are the two main responsibility? Organizing collection of land revenue. You have to pay revenue for your land. Okay, so he'll be responsible for organizing the collection and also providing information about the crops grown in his area. Okay, so this is done from the records that are kept, and this is why it's important for the Patwari to regularly update these. So his work is regularly updating about the land, the crops and everything. Okay, so farmers may change the crop grown on their field, or someone may dig a well somewhere. Okay, and keeping track of all this is the work of the revenue department of the government. Okay, so it is the function of which department? Revenue department. Okay, it is the work of which department, children? Revenue department. Okay, senior people in this department supervise the Patwari's work. Okay, so all the states in India are divided into districts. For managing matters related to land, these districts are further subdivided. Okay, these subdivisions of a district are known by different names such as Tehsil, Taluka, etc. Okay, you call it as, India country is divided into states, states into district, and district again is subdivided into Tehsil or Talukas. Okay, so at the head is the district collector. Okay, district collector is at the head, and under her are the revenue officers. So the revenue officers are known as Tahsildars. What are they known as? Tehsildars or Tahsildar. Okay, so they have to hear dispute. What is dispute? Any problem or quarrel between the people. They also supervise the work of the Patwaris and ensure that records are properly kept and land revenue is collected. Okay, so they have to supervise. Who has to supervise? The Tahsildars have to supervise the Patwari. They make sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of their record. Students can obtain their caste certificate, etc. Okay, so about the land record, caste certificate, okay, they are able to issue it. The Tehsildar's office is where land disputes are also heard. So whenever a land dispute comes, it is the Tahsildar's office where it is handled. Okay. So here in this page number 52, you can see you can see the land recording which the Patwari has. Okay, so in this you can see what is given. Serial numbers are given, area in hectares. So how much area each person is having. In the next column, third column, you can see name of the owner, father or husband's name and address. So in this you can see Morgan, Raghu, okay. And how much area is cultivated is given in the first. Then is it given for rented to some other farmer? If so, their name and details will be given. Then see in the fifth column, you can see what crop is grown, how much area the crop is grown, okay. And is there any second crop grown? Is there any wells available there? Okay, all the details will be recorded and kept. So if any of you do any malpractice, it will be found out, okay. So you can just go through this. So today we are going to complete our chapter with this. Thank you, children. Take care, be safe and be happy.